Hi everyone, this is Victor Pandian. I'll be the instructor for you this session. Hello everyone, my name is Victor Pandian. So in this session we are going to learn about how to integrate the Google Ads account with Google Analytics. And let's try to understand few basic settings over there. So for that what you have to do is you just need to log into your dashboard. So once you have logged into your dashboard of Google Ads account, towards your right top, you will be able to see an option called Tools and Settings. If you click upon Tools and Settings, you have something called as under measurement, you have conversion, which we have already did. The next option what we have is Google Analytics. If you click on this option, it will automatically get deviated to the Google Analytics account. Now, Google Analytics account will look something like this. Okay, now how to get to this particular place? First thing you have to click upon the admin at the bottom. Can you see Google Ads linking here? If you click upon the admin, you have to link your ads account to Google Analytics. Okay. Now, once you are done with that, you'll be entering into this particular place. Okay. So what is Google Analytics? As the name say, your analytics of your campaign, the analytics of your website, the analytics of what is happening on your website, how many people are getting converted, from which location they are coming, which gadgets they are using, which particular page the more number of users are engaging, and how quality the time that they are spending on your website, and whether your website is having engaging element. Everything can be tracked using Google Analytics. Okay. Now, if you this is the overview about my Google Ads and website. Okay, so I have integrated. Can you see CPC here? So this is the campaign which I'm triggering right now. This is the demo account for the learning purpose. So let's click upon overview over there. So if you click upon the overview, you'll be able to see how many members are using your website right now. So right now there are around 77 people who are using your system. Through desktop they are using 66.2 percentage. Through mobile they are using 33.8 percentage. And you can see that if you hover on this, from which location customers are engaging your website, you'll be able to see, and how many people are engaging from that. From Ahmedabad in India, only one person is engaging it. Okay, so if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the direct traffic which has been created, and total number of users, all users, and recently active users, engaged users, and other options, and which page they are engaging in, home page or shopping page or Google online store. So you'll be able to understand this part. And page view user engagement. Now what is page view? Customer has come to your page, a particular page. So over 708 page is being viewed. Okay, and user engagement is 324%. Sorry, 312 people they are engaging. How many people are scrolling? 181 people they are scrolling, guys. Okay, this is a event count. Now view item 165 people. Add to cart 77. Session start 59. So like that you can precisely see all the activities over here. If you scroll down, you can also see the first visit 39 conversions, and you can also see here being begin checkout, that is 33, purchase it is 20, it is just two people have purchased the product, or two conversions are happened. So this is the overview, that is the real time of your Google Analytics. Now where we have to focus is this acquisition. If you click upon this acquisition, you will be having something called as traffic acquisition. If you click upon the traffic acquisition, you'll be able to understand like where is the traffic coming from your website. Okay, if you scroll down, the first option says Google Organic. Can you see this? Through your SEO, these many people have come and this many sessions are happen. Engaged sessions are this. Average engage time is 1 minute 01 second, which is okay, not bad. Engaging session per user. So per user, if they're coming to your website, they're spending 1 minute 15 seconds on your website. Event per session 13.325, and engagement rate is really good, 94.6 percentage, and other options over here. Okay, Now what we have to focus on, we are focused on CPC, Google CPC. Can you see that Google CPC over here? Now total number of users from Google CPC is 1227. They came into your website. You can see the number of sessions that they engage session and average time and everything. If you scroll even more down, okay, so this is the overview of it. Now what else we have to understand? We have to understand the engagement. If you click upon this engagement, let's click upon the page and screens, which page the customers are in and which particular page. So you'll be able to understand precisely like which page they're active much. Home page, Google Online, shopping cart, men's unisex, okay, the Google merchandise store. So we have individual pages here where people are engaging in. So this is a good point so that we'll be able to understand like how many people are coming to home page and how many people are getting into other page. Okay, so which is another good option what we have it here. Now the next one is demographic. Now if you click upon the demographic, you'll be able to get all the details like which age group or which gender your customers are right now. Okay, so if you scroll down over here, can you see a user by gender? Click upon view all gender. So right now it's not getting populated. So you'll be able to see number of men's and women's over datas over here, number of people who have shown the interest. Now why we are learning all this? Because why we are creating the Google Ads campaign, this is the gender group where we have to target. If the gender of men's are more and women's are very less, then we have to target more on men's, ignoring women's in this particular product. Okay, suppose if I'm selling a beard oil, I will not recommend you to, nobody focus on women while creating a campaign like that. Similar way for your interest also, what your audience are interested in. Okay, then similarly next one you have the age groups also. You can select the age groups. If you click on this, you'll be able to understand. So there is right now there is no data to show it to you. So you'll be able to understand like which age group of people more using your content or your website. Okay, so you can see the city wise demographic over here. Language, English, Chinese, Spanish. So English is having an upper hand. Similarly, let's click upon technology. Now click upon technology details like which gadgets or which system that they have used and they are using your website. Okay, now if you scroll down, you'll be able to understand. At the bottom, can you see Chrome here? Okay, total number of users, total number of new users, and all the datas are here. From Chrome is the highest people they are using your website. 57,442 people they are using Chrome. And from Safari, this number, and Edge and Samsung Internet and other options are over here, guys. Okay, now precisely you can select your data and you can remarket them. So let me scroll up. So basically the browser, the data are given here, basically the browser, from which browser customers are engaging your content. Then you can focus on conversions over here. So what you call it conversion, when you talk about e-commerce platform, when customer makes a purchase, that becomes a conversion. If customers are creating a if customers are creating an account over it, that is called as a conversion. Okay, so whatever you consider as a conversion, that you can set it over here. So begin checkout, first visit, or the purchase that customer makes, you can consider it as a conversion if it is an e-commerce platform. If it is a non-e-commerce platform, what you consider as a conversion, let's say customer downloading a brochure, customer filling the details like name, email ID, all those things. If customers are doing that, that you consider as a conversion. Or email subscription, these things we are considered as a conversion. Now why we are considering conversion, we'll be able to see, because we are spending good money on internet, we'll be able to see how many people got converted through a my CPC campaign. Okay, so budget I've spent 1 week's campaign I'm running, focusing on display campaign, search network and other kind of campaign. I have to know what is the number of conversion that I have made. Okay, so those data you can see it here, right? And you have other options in Google Analytics which will be detailedly explained once we do Google Analytics chapter. All right, Hope this session was really informative for you. How to link your Google Ads account with Google Analytics account. It's pretty simple, guys. Okay. So Google Analytics is a beautiful platform where we'll be able to analyze the data, guys, here. Okay. All right. Hope this session was really informative for you. See you all soon in the next session. Thank you so much. Bye bye. All right. Hope this session was very informative. So let us meet again in our next session. Thank you.